Hi, this is Mr. Moreno again. This is for Part 7, Chapter 3.3, Vertical Motion, something causes severe storms for the book Earth's atmosphere. So, this is going to be a very short one because there's nothing particularly hard about this section except for maybe the second page, page 93, where it talks about the formation of cumulonimbus clouds. Now, if you look at the previous chapter, maybe not the previous chapter, chapter 3.1, it showed you how clouds look and where they are in the atmosphere. And that was on page 61. It showed you cumulonimbus clouds were the tallest clouds, but it didn't really explain why. And I want to explain the formation of these clouds. So this is Florida. The peninsula of Florida is on the bottom southeast corner of the United States. And it's a peninsula, and there's a lot of water here, a lot of water here. So there's a lot of cool air there. And cool air moves from both sides. However, land is usually warm. And if you know the geography of Florida, Florida has a lot of wet spots. Actually, most of Florida, especially on this area, it's called the Everglades. It's like marshland, a lot of lakes and things like that. So it's very humid. That means it's very wet. It's wet air. So when the cold air hits this part, it becomes warmer and it rises because warm air goes up. If you think about a hot air balloon goes up because warm air is less dense than cold air. And you don't need to know why yet. But because they're coming from both sides and it keeps going up, that's the reason why this cloud just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And eventually, this cloud is very massive and it rains. And that is the reason why the peninsula of Florida rains a lot. It rains a lot there because it has this special geography where this cold air hits the land and it keeps rising and building this big cloud and eventually it rains. And that's pretty much all I wanted to say about 3.3.